And we start in 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome, you big bloody beautiful legends. Dude, I was just checking my YouTube, analytics and all. I didn't see this, but someone commented like a week back genuinely, someone commented on my YouTube video. You make fun of people and feel better about yourself. How pathetic your life must be. I'm very serious, someone commented that. But that is my business. That is not your business. ठीक है, माई लाइफ माइट बी पथेटिक, बट तेरे को क्या मालूम, तेरे को क्या लेना देना है, तू करना अपना, तू लिख दूसरे लोग के कमेंट पे लिख जाके, व्हाई डू यू केयर इफ माई लाइफ इज पथेटिक और नॉट, है मेरे तेरे को क्या लेना, मेरे को समझा, तेरे को क्या लेना देना है. इट माइट बी पथेटिक बट दैट इज एन आई बिजनेस, दैट इज नॉट अ वी बिजनेस. ठीक है, दैट इज एन आई पर्सनल एजेंडा है ये. पथेटिसिटी, I don't know if that's a word, I don't think that's a word. Patheticness, whatever, is my business. It's a me thing, not a we thing. Okay, don't make it about you, it's about me. But I told you, I've put it on every place I can. I refuse to take therapy, however pathetic life might be. Why? Because I think I'm too cool. Okay, no, just to clarify, don't do that. If you feel your life is going down the drain, do seek some help. I really encourage that, and I am always going to vouch for that. Seeking help might be somewhat not, it might not suit your ego, but I know for a fact that it helps, and it's proven it helps. That's why there are people who get licenses, right? Licensed therapist is the thing. Those fuckers know how to treat you, right? Bro, I've been like fucking coming to treating people. Like, I saw that Assam doctor get fucking beaten up. I don't feel good, bro. Like, I'm sure this might sound very cringy, but it's kind of fucked up, man. Like, it's kind of fucked up how a country, like, it goes down that road where, like, first we think मतलब भगवान भरोसे ये तो डॉक्टर को क्यों पीटना है, और भगवान भरोसे ही है तो डॉक्टर के पास लेके क्यों गए. फर्स्ट we like go see, okay, I have known of doctor scams, right? I've it has happened to my family, it has happened to people I know, right? I know that doctors, there are some horrible people out there, but in this COVID time, all of that, I know there are doctors still scamming people, and there are hospitals तो मतलब कांड ही मराने गए, पता है मुझे. I know that, I have seen that happen, like maybe not in person, but I know of it, that people are charging lakhs and lakhs, 15, 20 lakhs charge कर रहे हैं, and that is hospitals, and that's fucking horrible of them. और अभी डॉक्टर भी मतलब क्या करेंगे दिस. सो देर इज अ सेक्शन ऑफ डॉक्टर्स दैट आर assholes, I get it, that's a very minute section. Majority of them are right now two things, fighting for their lives and their families' lives, because if they catch it, there's a good chance that they're gonna be, fucked up, because the kind of stress they're facing is not good, right? One of the things, see, this factually correct, not correct, but it's proven that if you're like drained out and everything, if you're too much under stress, you're bound, this virus is bound to, fuck you up. And I know that. And everybody knows that. And imagine the stress they're going through. Looking at hundreds of people die every day in front of their eyes, that's not a joke, right? So, I don't know. I guess this is my way of voicing out. And it's very small. It's a 2-minute segment, I guess. But it's just one of the things I guess we should do. At least spread the word. If today you didn't know about it, you should know about it. I came to know about it through someone else, through NDTV especially, and you came to know about this through me, suppose, right? Today you can tell 5 other people and the word can spread. I don't know, right? But moving on, motherfucker, you told me my life is pathetic. तेरे को कैसा मालूम है? देख bro, okay, I don't know if y'all know who Deepak Sharma is. I'll try and put that clip in. I don't know how to edit all of that, but I'll try and put that clip in. सुबह नहाना, शाम को नहाना, रात को नहीं, सुबह खाना, शाम को खाना, रात को बीवी के साथ नंगे हो जाना. If y'all know this, you're a top fucking legend, and I guarantee you that you're a legend, because your life is as bad as mine that you find all those videos. Bro, there is a section of society, I know this, there is a section of society that finds videos like these, and that section is completely psychologically twisted and messed up. And I am in that section of society. देख एक और ग्रुप, ब्रो फक दिस टू गुड. Go on Great Khalli's go on Great Khalli's Instagram profile. Check his comments. I guarantee you, you're gonna have a great time. If you don't, go on his profile and go on his Instagram account and go check his comments. If you don't have a good time, I will change my name. Hey, sorry यार, there's a bike. Bro, ये शाम को बाइक वाले दंगा करते हैं bro. मज़ा नहीं आता है मेरे को. I'll get to that later. हाँ. Fucking go check his Instagram comments. Trust me, you're gonna have the best. You're gonna have the time of your life. It has made my mood immensely better. Like everything that is wrong in your life will go away for the time being your honest comments. There is nothing better than that because there is shit that, and he knows about this. Like he's said in a couple of videos, मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है. Like it's great, bro. Like you see his comment section. There is one picture. There's a video or something where there is a dog sitting. Someone commented. So the idea is you comment, sir, ये कर दो. मतलब sir, do something. So sir is very important. That is the first thing, and then like everybody says something. So people comment like, sir, शर्ट निचोड़ के बारिश करवा दो, या मतलब like you know sir, पाद मार के क्या पाद मार के पूरा मीथेन कर दो हर जगह. All of that, people say that kind of shit, right? And there was a dog in the background and in one of his videos, and someone commented, sir, कुत्ते को पटक के डॉज कॉइन बना दो. And I've never laughed more in my life, bro. And this is like, what are they thinking, bro? Like, what is in their brain? I don't know what's going on, but it's fucking amazing. I think Indians are especially best at this. What we did with Binod. Okay, if you don't know what Binod is being that this is my professor and I, like in my last podcast, Shlok and PJ, three of us were speaking about this. Binod, like he was talking about like memes, like in a philosophical sense. Meme is just a medium of communication, and sometimes it doesn't even need to be explained. So Binod is basically someone's name, right? And there are some YouTube videos where, like, you know, in live chats and all of that, especially, you'll see, I don't know which videos, but there are some, I've come across them myself, and people will comment Binod. That's it. There is no context to it. How that came to rise, nobody knows who the first person was, what is the context, who is Binod, which Binod is this, nobody knows. Khali Binod likha hai. And 50 other people were at Binod. And everybody has a laugh. No one knows why it's funny. Dude, there is no cultural context. There is no significance in society to that word. It is just a name. Nobody knows why it's funny, but it is funny. And I think I fucking love that. And I think Indians only do all this shit. Like you see, bro, Great Khalli's comments are the best, bro. Like you will not regret it. I give you my fucking word. Best is when 50, like there are at least 1,000 people commenting, okay? And after thousands of people comment, one person, like the top comment, like now that the trend is like, you know, it's been here for a while. One person's comment will be on top and it will be, sir, आज कुछ मत करो, आज आराम करो. Because that shit, bro, it is madness, यार. He's like, someone's like, sir, आप बड़ा सांस लेके सब करो ना, अंदर ले लो और उसको wrestling match में हरा दो. This is one of the things that I'm serious, dude. You go and check out his comments. It is madness. It is absolute madness. Like he was laying bricks somewhere. Someone like, sir, ईंट पटक के खुद उड़ जाओ. Like, sir, धरती में मुक्का मारो, गड्ढा खोद दो. Sir, मतलब चेयर फेंक के चेयर की क्या? Someone like, sir, there was some kid doing pull-ups. He was making some kid do pull-ups. Someone was like, sir, वो बच्चे को खा जाओ. Like it's fucking wild, and I guarantee you'll enjoy it. But I was fucking telling you about the bikes. Bro, okay, two things have been annoying me these few days, okay? And I'm not joking. This is a real thing. I don't know how many of y'all have noticed it. One is आजकल कोयल लोग बहुत irritate करने लगे. I don't know what is, I don't know if it's a season for koyal birds to do shit. Must be koyal season. I don't know if that's a thing, but must be koyal season. But कोयलों ने मेरा दिमाग चाट लिया है, bro. Like, हर रोज 5 बजे कू तो सुनाई ही देगा 1-1.5 घंटे के लिए, और मैं उठ जाता हूँ. मतलब ओके, सी, फर्स्टली आई हैव अ स्लीपिंग प्रॉब्लम. आई थिंक एवरीबडी वॉचेज माई पॉडकास्ट बाय दिस पॉइंट. यू ऑल नो आई हैव अ fucking sleep issue, right? I can't get sleep. I don't know what my coffee shit is. I'm like trying to firstly like, acha, by the way, update on coffee. No coffee now. I have stopped coffee post 1 p.m. उसके पहले मैं 2 कप पीता हूँ. ठीक है, 10 बजे उठता हूँ मैं, 10 से 1 के बीच में. I have 2 cups of coffee, strong black coffees, right? I know that is also not good. So I spoke to some of my friends who are Simran Monga and Trisha. They are two great skincare people. Like, check out their profiles. Skin Baby and It's Monga. They know a lot of shit about. Scared and Lovely is Simran's profile, and the Skin Baby is Trisha's profile. They know a lot of shit about skincare and all. Like, genuinely, like they review products and all of it, right? And like Simran has some great stuff where she writes. Like she has PCOS, I think. I don't know if I'm getting it wrong, I'm sorry. But she like put a lot of information about working out, about how this helps, how that helps, what medicines are good, or even not medicines, like what, dietary changes are good. And the Skin Baby Trisha talks about like what skincare is good, and it's great stuff basically. So both of them I asked, see, okay, this is my coffee routine. Both of them literally they were like, Karan, this is not good. And I'm both of them have said the exact same thing, Karan, this is not good. And I was like, shit. Now I have to change that. So 1 p.m. के बाद no coffee. Moving on, हाँ. 5 बजे और 6 बजे के बीच में कोयल दिमाग सड़ा देता है ब्रो. मेरे को ब्रो, मैं पुणे में था तभी भी इरिटेट किया था, बॉम्बे आया तभी भी इरिटेट कर रहे, और पुणे जाने से पहले बॉम्बे में भी इरिटेट कर रहे थे. ठीक है. I mean, I know it's not like they're after my life or something. I mean, I don't think a Koyal has any personal vendetta against me. If they do, bro, okay. If a Koyal has a personal vendetta against me, let me talk to your leader. There might be a Koyal leader, right? Okay. उन लोग का भी यूनियन रहेगा. ठीक है, लेबर लॉज अप्लाई करते हैं कोयलों के ऊपर. ठीक है. Let them bring their union leader. Let me have a conversation with them. I would like to imply some rules. Firstly, 5 बजे से 6 बजे AM सुबह के मत करो. ठीक है. I think hours of 1 and 6 is when life is hell. Anybody who's up in that span, either you are doing some next level shit, या life झंड है. Either way, you don't want to be disturbed by coils, right? We all agree to that. I want to talk to their leader. Once I talk to them, I'll tell them, देख 5 से 6 के बीच में नहीं. और अगर करना है तो एक स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट चुनो कि 10 मिनट कंटिन्यूस करेंगे, फिर 1 घंटा ब्रेक लेंगे. यूनियन लॉज भी अप्लाई करते हैं. सिंगिंग मतलब लाइक इफ डेमी लोवाटो इज सिंगिंग फॉर 1 hour स्ट्रेट, शी ऑल्सो नीड्स अ ब्रेक आफ्टर दैट, राइट? लाइक थोड़ा ब्रेक तो चाहिए ब्रो, वरना गला फट जाएगा यार, कितना परफॉर्म करेंगे. बट ब्रो, फक, आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस. आई रिमेंबर्ड फ्रॉग इन द नाइटिंगेल. Yeah, fuck, what a poem, dude. If I don't know, I mean, most people my age, in 3 years of my age group and above, will know that because they had that poem in ICSE. Yeah, not ISC, ICSE. Yeah, Frog and the Nightingale. And I used to go to this teacher called Kuryakos. Okay, amazing, phenomenal teacher. I have never, like, she's a tuition teacher. Used to teach in Jamnabai, but after she retired, she started taking tuitions. Absolute banger of a teacher, top level teacher. But मेरा मतलब life झंड था उधर. I think she's one of the reasons I have gotten great grades in my social sciences and my English literature, right? She used to literally, I'll tell you how she was. She used to basically say, mug up the entire fucking As You Like It. As You Like It is the book which we had for our ICSE. प्रोज नहीं, प्रोज था, पोएट्री था, एंड तीसरा क्या था ब्रो? प्रोज, पोएट्री एंड शेक्सपियर. बेसिकली जो भी था वो एज यू लाइक इट था, राइट? मेरे स्पैन में. शी इज़ लाइक, बेसिकली लर्न द होल फकिंग थिंग. गांड मारा है तू, गांड मारा है तेरा पर्सनल एजेंडा एंड टाइम एंड योर पर्सनल विशेज़. फक दैट, जस्ट लर्न दिस शिट अप. तो आई वाज लाइक, देख भाई, अभी ज़्यादा कुछ याद नहीं रहता है, पर अभी करना पड़ेगा. बोला है आपने तो करना तो पड़ेगा ही, तो कर देंगे. So we used to do that. But yeah, I used to go to Kuryakos and fucking what was I talking about? Frog and the Nightingale. Fuck, sorry. My bad. Frog and the Nightingale. Yeah, so it was basically the longest poem in the book, in the poem textbook. And it was like about 25 pages, okay, meaning like 12 and a half sides, whatever. She was like, learn it up. I don't give a fuck. Like, do what you want in life. Learn this whole shit up. And basically, it's a great story about this, like, Nightingale who's a great singer, and this frog is okay. So frog basically defines someone who's talentless, and Nightingale defines someone who is extremely talented but doesn't know how to do business, right? And so frog and the Nightingale tha. The frog goes to the Nightingale when he hears us sing. He goes like, you know what? I'll be your manager. I've managed a lot of people. This, that. Basically, he's a fraud, right? Talentless hai frog, and he doesn't have any other talent except for scamming people. And he just like he hears a Nightingale and he thinks, fuck, I can make a lot of money. So he lies to her and tells her, I can like get you to places. I can fucking make you a star and this and that. Whatever happens in Bollywood, Hollywood, wherever in the world, right? In music industry, all the places. So the Nightingale, he used to make her train so hard that at one point she popped a vein and lost her voice. And then the frog told her, it's your fault, too bad. And the frog took all the money and fucked off. Basically, moral of the story was not moral. Story is basically metaphorically based on people who take advantage of people who have talent. And it's fucking horrible. Obviously, all of us know that. But on that note, I don't know how much time it's been. Fucking my, I don't know, my timer is no more present. I mean, it's alive. Very bad one. But no more present in front of my eyes. It's just a camera. Me and you, brother. Me and you. If you've made it this far, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go share this video. And go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I know it's a lot to ask, but benchut, क्या ही कर रहे हो? हैं? क्या ही कर रहे हो? मेरे साले कमेंट सेक्शन में पथेटिक लिख रहे हो. सब्सक्राइब तो किया नहीं हरामखोर ने. ये मेरे को प्रॉब्लम है. मेरे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख रहा है वो और सब्सक्राइब भी नहीं किया. आई चेक माई सब्सक्राइबर्स. हिज नेम इज नॉट देयर. And I can't I can't see everybody, right? It shows me like a few people who have made their profile public and all. Like a couple of people I can see, but apart from that I can't. Bastard, उसका नाम तो आया नहीं. I don't know if he is subscribed. But if you are that person, then at least go subscribe. तो ये सब comment लिखेगा, subscribe नहीं करेगा. Like, share, subscribe कर. दोस्तों को भेज. बोल हाँ करण pathetic है. And spread the word as much as you can. I am very serious. Let the world know. But ensure that you spread it and ask people to subscribe, then comment. वरना अच्छा नहीं है ब्रो. पहले सब्सक्राइब कर. ठीक है. इट्स लाइक तू टैक्स नहीं भरेगा और टैक्स के बारे में कंप्लेन करेगा. ऐसा कैसे चलेगा? समझ रहा है? यू आर कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट टैक्स लॉस बट यू डोंट पे टैक्स. दैट्स नॉट फेयर. I mean, unless you are a highly academic person and shit like that and you don't pay taxes, that's different. You have the, how do I say it, credentials. But I don't think fucking that, I don't want to take his name, but that guy, I'm sure he doesn't have credentials in the YouTube world. अभी तो मेरे पास भी नहीं है, किसी के पास ज़्यादा, मतलब I don't know many people who have, and I'm sure he doesn't. So I don't think he can comment. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.